Hi, Laura Handke here. I'm Like Us We Go's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts here and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And today I wanted to spotlight independent fine art professional Heather W Ernst. She's from Tacoma, Washington now, and previously was an architect in Colorado from 1992 through 2012. Heather's vivid abstract, landscaped, and contemporary abstract work was forged during her education in sculpture and line drawing and in her career as an architect. Her past included buildings up to 12K, and she has traded built environment for the illustration of emotion and perception with no object attached. That's what Heather's profile says here on LinkedIn. And what I love about Heather is how she provides these wonderful inspirational and educational videos right here on LinkedIn, telling people about her painting process. And as you can see, she actually inspired me to take a trip to the art supply store, and I have been slowly playing around a little bit with textures and colors. Now, I'm not going to show you what I've been working on, but what I can say is that it probably took me about 20 years to become any kind of a decent writer. So I think I've got something to play around with for the next 19 years or so. But anyway, go ahead and check out Heather's work if you haven't noticed her here on LinkedIn. I just love her videos. And again, I'm Laura Handke, Like Us We Go's transformational voice teacher. And if you'd like a free 30-minute consult to find out more about your authentic voice and how it works, you can find me at laurahandke.com or right here on LinkedIn.